Alright guys, I put a tree back there for ambiance because we're in my hallway because I was not going to figure out where to film in my room. I just wasn't, nope. Anyways, buona giornata and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do the Gymshark Camo Seamless review as well as the Vital Seamless squat proof material, hiking price, all that good stuff. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And let's go ahead and put some clothes on. Okay, so we have outfit number 1, which is the Camo Seamless Bra and the matching tights. I decided to go with the sage green just because I was like, it's the most subtle print I felt like out of the 3. And I only wanted one full set. Like I got the lavender ones in camo, but I didn't get the bra. Like I was just kind of like, I'd rather have a solid and then a print. I don't like print all over. I feel like it's too much, you know? So this is the bra. I'm a little bit, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't buy a lot of Gymshark seamless bras because I don't feel like they just don't hold them in. You know what I mean? Like when I try on a bra at a store, I'm generally like running in a room to try to see if they'll be together. So I don't really, I think this is the cutest one I found. The natural like seamless, like the Vital seamless ones, or like just the normal seamless bras, I never go with because I just feel like they're not supportive. They're like companies coming over, put a bra on type bra, but not even for like lifting days. I just don't like it. I don't feel like they do much. I am a cleavage type of gal, but I don't know how I feel about this much cleavage. For girls that want more, you can definitely like slide this over to have more cleavage. I probably will still wear a top though with this. Like I don't feel comfortable just working out like this, at least not right now, maybe eventually. I did start my cut this week, so we will see how that goes, but I mean, it will go fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so here are the pants on. I really like the pants actually a lot. Like, I don't mind. Like, they're super high seamless. I didn't think I was gonna like this like booty scrunch thing in the back, but because it's not too extreme, I don't really mind it. Like, it's okay. Now it's nice and little. And I like the way that like usually the Gymshark, all the seamless ones, they have that like butt contour, and sometimes the butt contour isn't like far enough up the leg that you have to like give yourself like a wedgie to like make the contour actually contour. So I kind of like that this isn't like that, and the scrunch just kind of gives it that effect. And I usually don't like scrunch bottoms, but about the whole price thing later. Right now we are strictly on the try on. I got a small in everything. I know some of you guys are gonna comment and be like, you're bigger than a small. Part of that is, I explain this in every try on video, I have been trying to build quite some time now, so I'm gonna start my cut right now, and I'm usually about 20 pounds lighter, so I'm just like, I'd rather have stuff that fits in a few months than be able to like wear it right now. But I still feel like I'm comfortable in this. Like, it's not tight by any means. Like the Vital Seamless is so much tighter compared to these ones. Like I can still breathe. I don't feel like I'm falling out. I do have undies on because I'm not that kind of girl that will wear no underwear to the gym. I'm just not. Not willing to take that chance. Back. Alright, let's test the squat proofness. I feel like they're pretty squat proof. I don't feel like anything's happening here, so good on that. I do like the more subtle logo that it has on the side of it, rather than having that material that like kind of just comes off, like the one that's like stamped on it. So this is actually embroidered in it. I like that it's a subtle one. Overall, I'm pretty happy. Let's move on to the next. All right, so these are what the Vital Seamless looks like. I like these a lot. They are definitely tighter than the camo, even though they're the same size. I don't know why. They're black, but they're kind of shiny. Doesn't really bother me. I like these a lot more than like the Flawless Knit set. These are like a staple black legging. Kind of like I said, this will probably eventually fade off, which is why I like that the other ones are imprinted rather than just printed on top. But nonetheless, I like everything about these. I'll show you guys. And it feels short. I don't really mind because it just kind of rolls a little bit, but not much. It doesn't really bother me. Let's see if it's the squat proof. I wouldn't say they're like 100%. So next we have the lavender camo. I really like this color. Like, I feel like it's gonna look good with like white or just black tank tops. I did want to show you what this looks like underneath a tank top in case you were not the kind of girl that wants to go out and about. It shows through a little bit. Like I said, I'm more about the pants than the bra. All right, so these are the lavender camo. Same thing as the other ones, obviously, just a different color. I really like this color. So nice and cute. See if it's squat proof. I feel like I tested these out and they weren't bad either. I will wear them both for leg day, which is nice because I'm tired of everyone being like, it's great arm day pants, you know, and I'm just like, I don't want to have to think about it at all. Just no. But they feel exactly the same as far as fit. But yeah, overall, I really like these. I really like the color. I like the rise of these. I do think they're really good leggings. I like my booty in them. Okay, so these are the pink Vital Seamless. I will say these are the ones where I feel like have the most like camel toe-esque, like it draws you in to this, you know? I don't love that. I love the color. So for me, I will be the unpopular girl that's like not in a crop top while wearing these for the most part. And these I would say are more of an upper body day for sure. They are not squat proof and they seem so much tighter than like any of the other pairs. So if you were in between for Vital Seamless, I would say size up. Now let's do a comparison. I'll do them side by side and we can see if the sizing really is different between the camo and the Vital. So as far as the bra goes, I would suggest it. I would say over the leggings and the bra if you're trying to decide, the leggings for sure. Like, I don't feel like this is a supportive enough bra for $40. I just don't. I love Lorna Jane sports bras. These, like, they're cute, but they just aren't, like, because they're not adjustable, I feel like if you do a lot in it, it's gonna stretch out and it's just gonna irritate the crap out of me. So please put adjustable straps for us bigger girls, you know? The boobs, they need help holding them up. So that is my only thing. I do think it's really cute, but yeah, I just wish it had adjustable straps. Okay, so I do think maybe I'm crazy. I don't know why, but the other ones just seem, now I'm in my underwear, so I'm gonna scoot closer. I was like, I'm sweating from trying all these on. Really size-wise, they're like the exact same. So I don't know why, but it just seems like the pink are a little bit tighter. I still really love them, but I wish I would have sized up to a medium in them maybe, or maybe my big butt will fit into them later on. But I just feel like these, they were a little bit like, I felt like a sausage, like sticking myself into casings. But the camo, I didn't feel like that at all. I really like the camo. The only thing is I don't agree with the price change. The Vital Seamless were even less than that, and I don't feel like the material, like these might be a little bit thicker, but definitely not like a ton thicker. So Gymshark, we all love you, but that's because you're affordable, and so we will forgive all the little mistakes because we're like, but they were only $40, so you shouldn't compare them to the quality of Lululemon, where now they're trying to pull a fast one on us. I have the black camo Align pants, and that's why I didn't get the black in the Gymshark. I would still choose my Align fabric over these. I really like these, but they're not, I can't sit here and be like, they're Lululemon, like, you know what I mean? So these, I'm happy I bought them, but if Gymshark keeps increasing their prices, I feel like I will just go to Lululemon, you know what I mean? I don't like that. It's like you start off as one thing and then you're trying to be something else. It's like if I shopped at like Forever 21 and then they tried to be Express, like it's just different quality. Like, I don't know. But overall, I'm pretty happy with these. I just think that they should have lowered the rate. And one of the reasons why I was like, okay, I'll buy 2 pairs was because I got a $40 off thing from when I shopped their sale for like blackout or whatever, they like were out of sizes that I'd already ordered, so they sent me a discount code, which I really appreciate the company for doing that. But yeah, I can't say like they're nice, but I'm annoyed at the price hike, especially when the other ones came out a few months ago and they're not like anything super different. Like maybe at the most, like they, you know, this one's embroidered Gymshark and this one just has it stamped on top, and it has like the little detail in the butt thing, but that's it. So let me know if you guys are picking these up. If you have any questions, let me know. I will film a workout soon. I know I keep saying that. Let me know if you guys want an at-home workout or at the gym or what you are looking for. So that is it. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one.